What's going on, YouTube? This your boy giving you another exclusive video of my 2003 Mustang GT. I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds. Do a little walk around real quick. I just got the BBK long tube headers, BBK off-road X-pipe, and the SLP loudmouth ones. They're a lot louder than I expected, but it's not loud enough. So I'm gonna go back to the muffler shop and get the 3-inch pipe from the axle back to the back of the car. That may be why it's not as loud at idle, but it is loud when I get into it. It's very, very loud when I get into it, but it's just not real loud at idle. Like, I wanted it to be so loud where if I'm coming to pick up you or your girlfriend or whoever else, you guys can hear me when I pull up. Just joking, but yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds from the back, and I'm also rev the engine up as well. If you like this video, man, I like to keep it short and simple as I update and mod this car. Like, subscribe. I got a lot of things I want to do to the car, so just stay tuned, man, and you know, just support this channel. Take care, guys. Merry Christmas.